So we did this town hall today because many of us in leadership realized that Penn is potentially um, not harnessing all its strengths with respect to getting grants. So we were very excited. We had over 100 formal RSVP people, but actually more people came. We ran out of lunch, we ran out of space, and it was a very well attended town hall indeed. We're at this stage where there's an enormous opportunity to think outside the box, connect one part of neuroscience to another, and even outside neuroscience to other areas such as immunology, genetics, etc., nanotechnology, engineering, many other non-biological fields as well. So we had the town hall today to sort of introduce to the community the many opportunities that exist, both at NIH in terms of the BRAIN initiative and other new initiatives that are coming out that are very multidisciplinary. And then, of course, the ADRD, the Alzheimer's disease and related disorders opportunities that are coming out because of an increase in federal funding. There were many leaders of the neurosciences, including John Danney, Kevin Foskett, and others that were able to field questions at the end from the audience. The idea was to build a sense of community around our research efforts here at Penn, and we believe that Penn is in a unique place compared to many other universities in this country with respect to its ability to do this interdisciplinary research. And of course we have CHOP as well, so a lot of this work can also be played out in a lifespan theme as well. The future benefits at some place like Penn are able to take these signature strengths that we have and reach beyond those. So for instance, the neurodegenerative disorders is a signature strength. Immunology is a signature strength. Genomics is a signature strength of Penn. But we aren't pulling in, say, the people in nanotechnology or the people in engineering or the folks in psychiatry to the extent that we could be into these fields. And examples would be thinking about with the new Alzheimer's disease initiative, there's a lot of other diseases that actually involve neurodegeneration. And work in those areas may shed new light on mechanisms that haven't been found yet in Alzheimer's and vice versa. The BRAIN initiative is also trying to encourage that kind of research. The more, as we look at where research is going in the neurosciences, it's clear that we need to de-silo our field, so it's not Alzheimer's, stroke, epilepsy, multiple sclerosis, schizophrenia, autism. It's that some of these are synaptopathies, some of these are synucleinopathies. We could sort of crosshatch against these different silos because really it is one brain, and there are only so many targets in the brain. They're used in different ways, spatiotemporally, for different disorders. So we believe that we can take answers that might have been found in one area of neuroscience, say neuroimmuno disorders, and apply those successes into other areas, say neurodegeneration. I think there's lots of opportunities like that that haven't come yet, and because the research is so new. Much of this research is only 5 years old or 10 years old, so we think if we can give the community a heads up to start thinking about this, Penn can really get on the map as a national and international leader beyond what it already is.